Good evening, front desk. This is Rodaline. How can I help you? I really sorry to hear that, Mr. De La Cruz. I understand how forecasting this must be, especially at this hour. Let me take care of this right away. I will contact our maintenance team immediately to check this issue. If they cannot fix quickly, I arrange a room for you so you can rest comfortably tonight. Absolutely. I will make this priority. I will someone at your door in a few minutes. I'll call you back shortly with an update. Hey, can you please check the AC in room 508 right away? The guest is very uncomfortable and may need to move. It can be fixed fast. Again, Mr. De La Cruz, thank you for your patience. Maintenance had a look. Unfortunately, the air condition needs more time to repair. But I've been arranged a new room 5112. Our staff is on the way to assist you. You're very welcome. Also, as an apology for the inconvenience, well, includes complimentary breakfast for you tomorrow. Please don't hesitate. Let us know if you need anything else. Good evening, Mr. De La Cruz. Just checking in to make sure everything okay in the new room. I'm really glad to hear that. We appreciate your understanding. We're here for anything else you need. Have a great night, Mr. De La Cruz.